right, boys and girls, we are going to practice some of the things that we used to do on our chart tablet in the classroom. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to review some of the letters that we know. S, T, A, C, B, R, D, E, G. Now we are going to review the first sound in some of these words. The first sound in cake is K. What is the first sound in cake? The first sound in mask is M. What is the first sound in mask? The first sound in tiger is T. What is the first sound in tiger? Now we're going to say all the sounds. And we're going to say all the sounds in the word sun. S, N. Now you say the sounds in sun. Now we're going to say all the sounds in cat. K, A, T. Now you say all the sounds in cat. Now I'm going to say all the sounds in fan. F, A, N. And now you say all the sounds in fan. Now we're going to practice our nonsense words. And I'm going to say the sounds. B, I, M. Now you say the sounds. Now I'm going to say the sounds in this nonsense word. T, A, V. Now you say the sounds. And now I'm going to say the sounds in this nonsense word. S, G. And now you say the sounds. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to read the nonsense words. Bim, tab, sug. And now let's review some of our sight words. For, my, see, look. Now you read them. Now the next thing I have is a sentence. I'm going to point to the words and I'm going to see if you can read it first and then I will go back and read it to you. And the sentence was, I like to go for a walk. And last, boys and girls, I miss you. Have a good night.